Dear students, in the last class we have already discussed about the subtraction using the complements. So there are two types. So first one is ones complement. Second one is two's complement. So we already discussed one example. Okay. So today we shall discuss some more examples on ones complement as well as two's complement. Okay. So first of all, ones complement means, for example, 1 0 1 0 1. It is a binary digit. So if you want to apply the ones complement means 1 becomes 0 and 0 become 1. That is 0 1 0 1 0. Two's complement means first you can convert this to the ones complement. So after that you can add 1 to the ones complement result. That is 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is the method for converting from normal binary number to ones complement and two's complement. Okay. So now I have to discuss the 25 minus 17. See here, 25 minus 17 using ones complement. So using ones complement means first we can convert this 25 to the normal binary number. That is 25, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4. Remainder is 1. 2 6 ja, remainder is 0. 2 3 ja, remainder is 0. 2 1 ja, remainder is 1. In the reverse order, you have to write the answer. That is 1 1 0 0 1. In the same way, you have to convert 17. 17. 2 8 ja 16, remainder is 1. 2 4 ja 8, remainder is 0. 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 0. 2 1 ja, remainder is 0. That is minus 1 triple 0 1. So after converting, so now we have to apply the ones complement. So for which number we have to apply the ones complement? So this is called as minuend. So this is called as subtract. So always the upper bits indicates the minuend and lower bits indicate the subtract. Okay. So we can convert the subtract into the ones complement. Okay. So ones complement is 0 1 1 1 0. Next, after converting ones complement, so this is added to the minuend. So here the minuend is 1 1 0 0 1. So the conversion of ones complement is 0 1 1 1 0 plus. Don't use minus symbol. Always you have to use the plus. So why we have to use the plus means because the rules of ones complement, subtraction using ones complement. First step is if the numbers are in the decimal format means first you can convert the decimal number to the binary number system. So after converting the binary number system, so we have to identify which is the minuend and which is the subtrahend. So after identifying the subtrahend, so you have to convert that subtrahend to the ones complement. So after that that is added to the minuend. See here, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, again carry is 1. So after adding the numbers, finally if the last carry is generated, so this carry is added to the lower bits. The result of the lower bits, that is 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1 0, carry 1. This is 1 0. So finally the answer is 1 triple 0. See here, 25 minus 17 is equal to 8. Okay. So you can convert. See here, 1000 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then your answer is correct. The last you can verify your answer just by converting the binary to the decimal or decimal to binary, whatever it may be. Okay. So one thing you have to remember is, see here, 25 minus 17. So always it gives the positive result. Okay. In the positive result, always the carry will be generated. You have to take any number. If the result must be in the positive format, means compulsory the carry will be generated. Okay. So first step is you can convert to the ones complement. After that you have to add that ones complement to the minuend. If the carry is generated, that carry is added to the lower significant bit. Lower significant bit is nothing but the first place. Just you can add 1. So after adding, so whatever the result will come, that is nothing but the final answer. So this is the method for subtraction using the ones complement. So now you have to consider another example, because these two are very very important for examination also. Ones and twos complement. See, 28 minus 32. So first we can convert the 28. 2 1s are 2 4s are. See here, 28 11 000. So this is the minuend and this is the subtract. Okay, so just you can add 0 plus 0 0, again 0 0 1 1 1. After adding, if there is no carry at the last, okay, so again you have to convert this result to the ones complement, that is 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this is the final answer. It is nothing but the, so here answer is -4. So this is the final answer. Okay. See here, one thing you have to remember is, if the result is in the negative format, so it does not give the carry. Then whatever it may be the number, okay, but finally it will not generate the carry. If there is no carry means finally, so you have to convert the result to the ones complement again. Okay, next. So just you can try 53 minus 19, first example. So second example is 59 minus 70. So you can try these two examples. Okay. So now you have to consider second, that is 2's complement. So already you know that what is 2's complement. So here 2's complement means, again you have to follow the first complement rules. It means that first it can be converted into the ones complement. After that, so 1 can be added to the ones complement result. See here. So first we can take the example as 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. Okay. So this is the minus and this is the subtract. So 17. 2 8 is 16, remainder is 1, 2 4 is 8, remainder is 0, 2 2 is 4, remainder is 0, 2 1 is remainder is 0. So that is 1 triple 0 1. So 8 is 1000. 8 is 1000. Okay. So first you can identify the minuend and subtract. Okay. So after that, so you can convert this subtract to the 2's complement, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. So after that plus 1. It is 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1 0, carry 1 1 1. That is double 1 triple 0. Okay. See here 1 triple 0 1 plus double 1 triple 0. Here 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 carry. See here 17 minus 8 is 9. See the difference here. In one's complement and 2's complement. In one's complement, if the carry is generated, that carry is added to the lower significant bit. Here, if the carry is generated, so just you can discard this carry. Discard means you can ignore the carry, means you can consider remaining digits, that is 1 0 0 1. This is the final answer. In the 2's complement, if the result is in the positive format, means always the carry will be generated and you can discard that carry. So you have to remember the steps. This is the example. Okay. So you can consider another example. Minus 25 is Okay, so 1's complement is 1 0 0 1 1 plus 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 0. Finally 1 1 double 0 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 carry. See here 0 double 1 0 1. Okay, so the answer is 13. Okay, so if you convert 13, see here, if you convert 13 to 6 that, well, remainder is 1, 2 3 that, remainder is 0, 2 1 that, remainder is 1. See 1 1 0 1. See here 1 1 0 1. So this is the final answer. So in 1's complement, if the carry is generated, that carry is added to the lower significant bit. In the 2's complement, if the carry is generated, you can discard or you can ignore the carry. Okay. So next you can take another example of 2's complement. 15 minus 18. See here, 15 minus 18. So here minus is 15, that is 1, 1, 1. 18 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So directly I have to write the 18. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, see here. First you can convert this to the 2's complement. That is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus of 1, 1, 0. Carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. See here 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Remove 0. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 1. If the carry is generated, means you can add to the lower significant bit, or see here. Actually, the original values are 0, 4, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So you can convert 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus of 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. See here 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So don't remove this 0. Because if you remove the 0 means again the carry will be generated. But according to the 2's complement, if the carry will be generated means, so that can be discarded. Okay, see here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, carry 1. Here it is 1. See here. Finally, if there is no carry, okay, so after that again this can be converted into the 2's complement. So how to convert this to the 2's complement? Say 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 plus of 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the method for converting the or solving the 2's complement subtraction. 2's complement subtraction. Okay. So another example, 26 minus 47. 26 minus 46. Okay. So here 26 minus 47. So you can convert the 26 to the binary and 47 to the binary. So 27 binary, 26 binary is double 1, 0, 1, 0. Double 1, 0, 1, 0. So 47 binary is 1, 0, 4, 1. 1, 0, 4, 1. 1, 0, 4, 1. So if you convert, so directly I have tried 26 and 47. So I know. So next is, so this is the subtract. This is the minus. Okay. So you can convert subtract to the 2's complement. That is 0, 1, 4 zeros plus of 1. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So here 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus converted value is 0, 1, 0, 0 1 triple 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 carry 1 here it is 1. So after adding again you can apply the 2's complement, that is 0 1 0 1 0 0 plus of 1 0 1 0 1 0. So finally you will get the result as 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So it is equal to the minus 21. Minus 21. Okay. So the next topic is binary coded. Okay, so that is BCD. Here BCD indicates the binary coded decimal. The next topic is BCD, that is binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. Okay, so it is one of the earlier computer codes. There are n number of computer codes are there. So here also, here BCD is also one of them. So presently we are not using BCD. Okay, it is one of the old computer code. But in the BCD, so each digit can be represented as 4 bits. 4 bits means, for example, 0 can be represented in BCD as 0 0 0 0. 1 can be represented as 0 0 0 1. 2 can be represented as 0 0 1 0. 3 can be represented as 0 0 1 1. Means each digit can be represented in 4 bits format in the BCD. So here BCD means binary coded decimal. Okay. So in the same way you have to write remaining. For example, 5 20 521. 521. So convert 521 to BCD. Convert 521 to BCD. So it means that this can be converted to the decimal format. It is not like that. Okay. So here 5 T to 1. First you can split the number 5 to 1. So just I have to write 0 1 5 is 0 1 0 1. See here. So what is the BCD of 5? 0 1 0 1. That is 0 1 0 1. The BCD of 2 is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. BCD of 1 is 0 0 1. So finally the BCD of 521 is, so you can combine all the values, that is 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the answer. So the whatever it may be the question, they can give either it may be the 2 digit or it may be the 3 digit or it may be the 4 digit number. The first step is you can split the individual number and you have to mention the BCD value. So BCD value is not a different value. So it is like a normal binary value, but it can be represented in 4 digit format. 4 digit format. Okay. In the same way, 35, first 3, next 5, 3 is 0 1 0 0 1 1, 5 is 0 1 0 1, it is 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So you can combine all the values and you have to represent in the BCD format. So there are a number of computer codes are available. So this is one among them, that is binary coded decimal. In the same way, ASCII, ASCII. So here ASCII indicates American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is the one committee, they have to given one unique value for the each character. So whatever the keys, whatever the characters, whatever the digits or whatever the symbols are present on the keyboard, so all the values, all the keys have one unique number. For example, if I enter capital A, so this A can be stored as a binary value. How the character is stored as binary value? Because this A value is 65 according to the ASCII. This 65 is again converted to binary and it can be stored as A. Again it consists of ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. ASCII 7 means the number can be represented in 7-bit format. ASCII 8 means the numbers can be represented as 8-bit format. So the here 7-bit and 8 bits, the difference is one digit indicate 1 bit. So another one is there, that is EBCDIC. So here by extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Here EBCDIC means extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Again this is also a one type of code. Again it consists of 8-bit format. 8-bit format. So here 8-bit format are divided into the two parts. First one is 4-bit and another one is 4-bit. So in the first 4-bit it consists of some zone codes. Either it may be 0011 or either it may be 1100. It has some inbuilt codes for EBCDIC. So next 4 bits are odd numbers. That is binary numbers only. Depends on the character, depends on the number. You have to represent in the 8-bit format. Okay. So actually in computer codes there are 3 types. So first one is BCD, second one is ASCII, third one is EBCDIC. Another one is there, that is access 3 code. Access 3 code. Access 3. Again in ASCII there are 2 types, ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. Okay. See here access 3 code. Again this can be written as access 3 code. So here access 3 means, for example, 1. In the decimal number 1, it can be converted to access 3 code means plus 3 is added to the number. Access 3 plus of 3, it is represented as 4. Means 1 can be represented in access 3 as 4. Again it can be represented in 4-bit format. 4-bit format. That is 1 is represented as 001, 2 is represented as 0010, 3 is represented as 0011. 4 is represented as 0101. Okay. So what is the access code 3 code for 4 is it's 7, because plus 3 is added to 4, that is 7. So the binary value of 7 is 0 1 1 1. The access 3 code for 2 is 5. Answer is 0, 1, 0, 1. Means whatever the data is there, whatever the question is there, first just you can add 3 to the given value. Okay. So actually there are 4 types. If you consider XS3 is one of the controller code, means there are 4 types. First one is BCD, second one is ASCII, another one is ABCDIC, last one is XS3. Okay, so this is completely about the data representation chapter. Okay, so in the remaining class we will discuss the next chapter. Okay, thank you.